Here are the best 9.5 ways of making passive income. Now, I personally started my passive income journey when I was just a teenager, so that's proof that these...
So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this video by Make Money Matt, where he claims there are 9.5 passive income ways to make $600 per day. I'm going to give you my opinion. I'm going to tell you what I like, what I dislike, and maybe some better opportunities out there. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what Matt has to say about these 9.5 passive income ideas.
Income stream number 1 is video editing. You can download free video.
9.5 passive income ideas. Number 1 is video editing. Video editing is not passive. It's a good way to make some money, but it's certainly not passive. For me, when I have to edit my videos, it takes anywhere between 45 minutes and an hour and a half, depending on the software that I'm using. So already, passive income idea number 1 is not necessarily passive. Again, it's a good way to start getting money in the door, as he alluded to, but not passive in the least. Passive income, and first of all, let me go back. There's no such thing as passive income. And I'm going to keep saying that throughout this video. There's return on investment income. That means where you put in work up front and you're paid back for it months, weeks, years later. For example, this video that I'm making right now is return on investment income. What that means to me is I'm going to create this video once, I'm going to upload it later today, and I'm going to make money from it tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, as long as I have my YouTube channel up. That's return on investment. In general, and I'm going to probably go on this rant a few different times, there's no such thing as passive income unless you buy a house, unless you invest in stocks, and even that requires work up front. So number 1, video editing, I don't agree with at all. A better way to make this passive is to teach people how to do video editing on YouTube.
It does require you to constantly be editing more and more videos in order to keep making income. So this one isn't really that.
Not only that, you have to go out and market yourself. You've got to find new clients. You have to hope that your old clients refer you to new clients. So this isn't passive.
Income stream number 2 is using your voice. You can simply just use your...
So voiceovers can be passive. I do agree with that, as long as you are getting royalties for your work. If you are, let's say you're doing a YouTube channel, you're doing voiceovers for someone else's YouTube channel, you're only going to be getting paid when you're working or for the work that you complete. Passive income, by comparison, like I said, with a YouTube channel, you do a YouTube video once and it can pay you months, weeks, years later in a number of ways, whether it's with affiliate marketing or the YouTube partner program or you selling your own physical or digital products. That is the definition of passive, not doing work and getting paid for the work that you're doing. That's called a job.
And then eventually, just like the video editing, you can hire other people under you who have tons of...
You can't hire other people under you to do voiceovers because people are hiring you for your voice. I couldn't hire a female to do my voice because she's a female and I sound differently. This doesn't make sense so far.
Income stream number 3 is writing. You can write for blogs or...
Depending on how you do this, once again, it's either passive or not passive. If you write blog posts, passive. If you are writing for other people, not passive. I have a fear that he's going to say start writing for other people and then hire that out. So again, you have to read between the lines. This stuff that he's saying so far hasn't been passive. If you're writing YouTube scripts for people, you only get paid when you're doing the work or after you complete the work. If you are writing a YouTube script for yourself or you're writing a blog post for yourself, maybe even if you're writing on Medium, I'm not a big fan of Medium, but even if you're writing for yourself, that's passive or can be passive. What he's talking about is active income, like a job.
To make sure that you still put it within your own words and you...
This is the one thing that I do agree with. If you are using AI writing tools, it should not be the actual writer. You should be using it as a guide, as a resource, and not letting it do all the work, because eventually you're going to see YouTube, you're going to see Google, you're going to see everything catch up to the AI with its own AI, and then it's going to be able to better detect. So what I would do if I was using a tool like Jasper to help me write blog posts, I would use it as a guide, maybe use it for an outline, still put in my voice, use my own experiences and my own stories, and that's going to help you better connect with your target audience.
Income stream number 4 is photos. This one gets a 5 out of 5.
So this one could be passive. I think I've talked about photos before. Basically what you're going to do here is you're going to upload the photos that you've taken. to various websites, and they're going to pay you royalties. So this can be more passive. The best way to do this is to take scenic pictures. For example, last week it snowed. You're going to go out into the wilderness. You're going to go out into the forest and take pictures of the snow. You can also take pictures at sporting events, depending on the event. You can also take pictures at different landmarks. So yes, this is more passive than the other ones that he's mentioned so far. This still takes a little bit of work, and you have to be in a position to take those pictures. You're probably going to need a decent smartphone or a upgraded camera in order to do this.
Income stream number 5 is typing out videos. Now you might be asking, Matt, what do you mean by
transcribing passive? No. Have you ever tried to transcribe something? No. You could use software to help you. For example, I use a software called Descript to transcribe my YouTube videos and put them up as blog posts. But once again, even if you use that, you're still going to need to read through the Descript script and make sure that the words are correct. Descript gets my name wrong a lot. A lot of the transcription services get my name wrong, so you're going to have to read through and make sure that's something. But transcribing in general is not passive.
Now you have 2 options when it comes to this, depending on either if you're an introvert or an extrovert. Number 1, if you're an introvert like me, then you can run what are called faceless niche YouTube channels. These are simply
basically what he's saying is create content. He didn't want to say create content because for whatever reason, millions of people fear creating content and they'll click off. One thing I like to do is I like to scroll down and see what it's actually being said. The comments are interesting because no one points out that these are not passive. I don't know why that is, but no one points out the obvious. Maybe the obvious isn't so obvious, but basically what he's talking about here is creating content. He's saying you can either do faceless YouTube channels or face YouTube channels. There's no such thing as introvert versus extrovert with this because I don't consider myself to be an extrovert and I make YouTube videos showing my face. You have to realize that you have to get out of your own way if you want to be successful online. And one of the ways of getting out of your own way is turning on the camera and showing up on camera.
You can actually make money every single time someone views an ad on your video. So this way you do the work once and you can profit from it for years.
So he finally actually talked about passive. You do the work once and you're going to get paid for it for days, weeks, months, and years later. You have to acknowledge the fact that the first 3 or 4 that he mentioned weren't actually passive. They're very much active because if I stopped trying to find voiceover gigs, I wouldn't make any money. However, when you create a YouTube channel, you create a YouTube video, you can be paid from it in a number of ways over however long. On my first YouTube channel, I still make a few dollars every single day, and I haven't uploaded to that channel in a number of, I would say, months at this point.
Now, it did take me quite a bit to honestly get comfortable in front of a camera filming videos because this doesn't really come naturally to me, but if I can do it, you can do it.
So he just admitted that he's not really an extrovert. And so you shouldn't let being an introvert or an extrovert, whatever however you classify yourself, you shouldn't let that prevent you from creating YouTube videos where you're showing up on camera and you're speaking directly into it.
Passive income source number 7 is a high payout partner product. Now at this point,
so basically what he's saying here is affiliate marketing. For whatever reason, people have now changed the word of affiliate marketing. They're calling it digital marketing. They're calling it ghost marketing. All sorts of stuff. Just call it affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing has a bad name because of the way some people do affiliate marketing, but high payout partner product is probably a very long, drawn out way to say affiliate marketing. Let's make sure he's talking about affiliate marketing, but I'm pretty sure that's what he's talking about. And again, affiliate marketing isn't passive. It's return on investment. You set up systems in the very beginning and you're going to be paid back later on for the work that you put in.
And then promote this link in the description and pinned comments of all of our videos. And then we can have a verbal call to action in the video saying,
yeah, he's talking about affiliate marketing, and there are over 5,000 different affiliate programs. There's an affiliate program for everything. So you don't have to just stick to those big 4 that he talked about. If you want to get into pets, you want to get into home furnishing, you want to get into indoor, outdoor living, there's affiliate programs for literally everyone.
Income source number 8 is your ticket to freedom. Now, I know this might sound like a bit of an over-exaggeration, but I truly believe that this is the best passive income source, and that is having your own product. Number 1, you pick.
Now, I do agree with this. Create your own digital product. Digital products are more passive than physical products because with physical products, you still have to do shipping, you still have to get returns if there's a problem, and customer service. With digital products, there's no physical return. People may request returns. There might be customer service aspect, but for this, I do like it that it's semi-passive. You're going to have to come up with an idea up front. You're going to have to create the product, the digital product, or hire someone to do it. And then you're going to have to market it. Now you can market it for free using organic traffic, or you can do it for paid with like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest ads. But I do like having your own digital product, and I recommend everybody have their own digital product. And you can create a digital product for any niche. So that's a cool thing about it. So as long as you're getting traffic, think about some of the problems that your traffic, your audience has, create a digital product for it, and then sell it to them. And then you can sell them more stuff on the back end as well with email marketing.
And any skill related to health, wealth, happiness, or relationships, because these are the subjects.
Just to expand, he's talking about the big four. You can create digital products in anything. There's a dog training digital product that sells very well. You could create a digital product or a course teaching people the perfect lighting for a YouTube channel, or the equipment, how to set up your equipment. You could create a digital product showing people how to build a fence. People will pay if you can save them time or save them money.
Is because you can get other people to do your work for you. And it's a win-win for both of you because you split the commission. And if you set this up correctly, it will literally be in people's best interest to do your work for you. And they'll do a ton of things that.
So I should say that I actually started an affiliate program recently. Including the affiliate program is 50% commissions. It's not something that I've been actively promoting or talking about. But if you want to start promoting my programs, you can. There's a link in the description that you can join a membership where I'm putting together different training, different images, email sequence, and even videos that you could use in order to promote the program. There is an application process and you have to apply and be accepted. Not everybody will be accepted, but yeah, I have an affiliate program too.
Passive income source number 9 is compounding your money. Once you start making money with some of these methods, it's time to make that money work for you. In my opinion, one of the best ways of doing that is investing. Now, there's so many different.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, really the only way to earn passive income, and this is going to be return on investment income, and this isn't investing advice. Don't take this as advice. I don't know anything about investing. I'm not your investing guy. But what you could do is take your money, take a portion of your money every single month and put it in an exchange traded fund, an ETF that tracks the market. For example, the S&P 500. If you look at the stock market since its inception, it's gone straight up. Okay. People get scared. They get fear because they watch the news and they talk about the gyrations on a day-to-day or week-to-week process. However, if you zoom out and you look over the lifetime of the S&P 500, it's gone straight up. One of the coolest, greatest quotes I've ever heard is, why would rich people create a process to make them less rich? So what you could do, take a portion of your money every single week or every single month, put it into the stock market and don't touch it. Now, I'm not talking about crypto. I'm talking about the stock market. I'm probably going to get bots and people arguing me about crypto. I stay away from crypto. But if you're looking for the most passive thing that you could do, take your money every single week, every single month, put it into an ETF that tracks the market, exchange traded fund that tracks the market, set it and forget it. Walk away. Have the money that the dividends reinvest into themselves so that you are paying yourself and you don't have to think about it. If you're looking for something absolutely passive, that would be it. All right, so we're going to stop it there. This video overall talks about 9.5 passive income ideas. In reality, there's probably 2 or 3 that are actually passive, and the other one are basically having a job. You're a freelancer. You are only paid when you're putting in the work. When you're not working, you're not getting paid. And he did mention that you can hire people, but you couldn't hire somebody to do voiceovers for you. So that didn't necessarily make any sense. Now, he talked about affiliate marketing. He called it some other word salad. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. You'll get free affiliate marketing planners that will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.